Hi everybody, this is Donna, Pascarella at Vince's Gourmet. Today I'm going to make crepes, and then I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can use this recipe. Simple recipe: 3/4 cup whole milk, tablespoon and a half of olive oil, 3/4 cup of durum flour. You can use whole wheat. You can use all-purpose, you can use 00 flour, whatever you have at home. And I like the durum because it's nice and fine. And 3 eggs. Put those all in the bowl, mix them up. Your batter should be thinner than pancake batter. And this batter, by the way, will stay for a couple of days in your refrigerator. So in my small pan, I have about a tablespoon and a half of olive oil just to cover the bottom. This is hot, so. And then I'm just taking a small ladle and putting a thin amount in. You want your pan to be hot. If you have a bigger pan, 2 ounces or 1/4 cup. My pan is hot because I've made a few before, so then I'm just going to flip them. They don't take long at all. I've made some here. You want that brown on both sides. These will stay in your refrigerator or your freezer if you wrap them up real tight, if you want to make a lot of them ahead of time. And then that's it. That's the crepe. And as I said, I'm going to show you 3 different ways. The first way is the traditional manicotti. So in the bowl I have ricotta cheese, egg, fresh parsley, salt and pepper. You can use ground beef. Today I used cooked sausage. You can make them vegetarian if you'd like, whatever you want. So you put it about 1/2 cup in there, and then you roll it with the open seams down. Now, of course, you're gonna fill this up and bake them. Some sauce on top, some shredded mozzarella, and Vince's blend. This next thing I made was my version of Waldorf salad. Kind of chicken, Granny Smith apples, celery. I used the leaves, salt and pepper, some dried cranberries just to give it a little color. I didn't have walnuts. You just got to look in your pantry. So I used almonds. I put too much in there, but you get the idea. Then you're going to roll them up. You can even cook that. You can even bake those and serve it warm with a little light cream sauce. And then last but not least, it's about dessert. So you know how I love to use mascarpone. Putting a little of that on the crepe. And then Nutella. Again, use what you like. You can use fresh berries. I'm trying to spread this around, but they're hot because I just made them. And I like preserves. So this is peach, little peach, a couple of chocolate chips, why not? Roll it up. Again, you can make a bunch of these. Put them in a pan. And then I just made a little fresh whipped cream. I didn't whisk it. Again, there's your daily exercise. I like it a little loose. And then you put a little confection or sugar, that's too much, and cocoa on top. And there's your dessert crepe. So everybody have a great day, and don't forget to sign up for our newsletter at vincesgourmet.com. You get recipes and our weekly specials. And that's it. Turn it off.